Where does the name for a flint, or in English, Flint, come from? So today I'm in Flintshire, and I'm in the town that gave Flintshire its name, and it's called a Fflint. Let's get into the name. The original name for Flint appears in records from 1277 as Fflint. Earlier Welsh forms, Fflint in 1271 and Fflint in 1330, are also amongst the oldest on record. By the 1520s, English sources refer to the town as the Flint, before the modern form Flint became standard by the 1790s. The repeated use of the definite article, le in French, in Welsh, and the in English, all meaning the, give us a clue about the name's origin. The town takes its name from the large rock on which the castle stands overlooking the Dee estuary. Now, in the same vein, in Norman French, the language of the English nobility at the time, the town was called Le Caillou, which means the pebble or the stone. Now, in Middle English, when the name was coined, the word flint didn't mean the specific type of stone we know today, but referred more generally to any hard rock. That explains why the town bears the name Flint, even though there's no actual flint in the local geology. The castle here was begun in 1277 by Edward I as part of his campaign to conquer Wales. Both the castle and the newly founded town were attacked in 1294 during the revolt of Madog ap Llywelyn. The defenders burned the town themselves to prevent it falling into Welsh hands. In 1399, Richard II was captured here and handed over to Henry Bolingbroke, an event later immortalised in Shakespeare's Richard II. Flint Castle was the first of Edward I's so-called Iron Ring of royal fortresses in Wales, and its design became the model for later castles at Rhuddlan and Harlech. It was also attacked unsuccessfully by Owain Glyndŵr at the start of his revolt in 1400. The medieval town was never fully walled, but it was protected by an earth ditch and a wooden palisade. The outline remained visible in the town's street plan until the 1960s, and the medieval boundary can still be traced today and can be seen in old maps of the town. So the name literally means the rock, the stone. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.